Danco 1955 here. Just replaced my starter motor on my 2006 Honda Civic. The starter, before you begin, just take off your battery cable, and you can see the starter right in there. It's kind of hard to get to. To gain access to the starter, what I did is I took the right drive axle off, which makes it a lot easier. You'll have a lot more room to get to the starter. Once you take the axle out, there's just two bolts, 14 millimeter, one on the bottom and then one on the top of the starter. So I hope this helps out, and thanks for watching.